Hello! So today is day 5 of uploading every day, day 4 of my challenge, and it has been a day. My son slept amazing last night, like really good, and then took an hour nap, which sounds fine because he used to not sleep at all, but he normally takes 3-hour naps, and when he takes anything less than 2, he is a grump, and he has been very grumpy. But my niece is here right now. I haven't seen her in a while. She has been sick. Everybody's sick right now. We got sick, and then right after we got sick, they got sick. Totally something different because we weren't around each other at all. That's going through their whole school. My friend's kids are both sick, and one of those ones is the one that comes and watches our son 2 days a week. My other friend that I met at the nursery, also sick. My dad, also sick. My sister and my niece finally just got over their sickness. So my niece is staying the night tonight, hanging out with us, which is really great because she loves to play with my son and it's been really fun. But they're outside playing right now with the pup, and I am going to clean up my desk. I'm only doing this right now instead of being outside and playing with them because, well, I gotta film for day 5. This has been like a thing I've been doing for the last couple months. I haven't talked about it or anything, but I am making it a point now to clean up my area when I'm done with it. We did a huge declutter, and when I did that, I was like, I'm not letting it get bad again. And I haven't. The room looks great. I've been sorting through my PR as it comes. I've been putting things back where they belong as I use them, which is really great for me. I'm not somebody that typically does this, but like every area of my life, I'm just trying to get a little bit better. I'm just going through, putting the lids back on everything. I'm gonna put all the brushes back where the brushes go. By the way, I've been using this for like months now. I'm gonna put it on right now because it feels so nice. This is the House Labs PhD Lip Hybrid Oil Stain. This is a shade neutral, so it was clear. Now it looks like this color because every lip liner I ever put on is like mixed in with it, which is kind of gross, but whatever, who cares, it's just mine. But I love it. It feels so nice. So today we woke up, we did our morning stuff as always, went and played outside. My sister brought my niece over and we played with the dogs outside. She has 2 dogs and we had them meet Benny and they like him enough. But one of the dogs doesn't like to share toys. And so as soon as Benny went to go get the toy, she was like, back up. And she got a little nippy. And so playtime was cut short. Not from me, but just from all of us. We were like, okay, things getting a little bit crazy. Crazy. So we all did that. And then my sister left and Avery, Zach and I all had lunch. And it was delightful. We ate a meal from HelloFresh, who is actually sponsoring today's video, which is so wonderful. And today's meal was amazing and it was totally approved for the lifestyle that I am doing. I just kind of subbed out some of the ingredients and it was great for all of us. Avery loved it too and asked for seconds, which she even said as we were eating that she normally doesn't like seconds of foods or even finish her whole meal, but she wants seconds of HelloFresh. This is the second time she's come over and we've made a HelloFresh meal, and she has said like they're some of her favorite meals, which is big applause. If you don't know who they are, they're a meal delivery service. They deliver meals directly to your door each week, and they come in an insulated box, and in that box are the meals that you have pre-chosen. As your calendar starts to fill up this season, you can count on HelloFresh to get you some of your free time back by making cooking simple and quick. Each recipe and pre-portioned ingredients come right to your door, so you can skip the grocery store and a lot of the prep. HelloFresh's line of kid-friendly recipes is picky eater proof, so it's perfect for families looking to try something new this school year. And I can attest that my son has always loved all of them. Quality is also HelloFresh's priority. Ingredients travel from the farm to your home in less than 7 days, so you know they're fresh. I've made it no secret that HelloFresh is one of my favorite things because it is so nice to just have the mental load reduced, gone. You don't have to worry about what you're gonna have for dinner. You don't have to worry about what sides you're gonna have and what kind of veggie and this and that. It's just done for you. It's right there, it's easy, it's delicious, it's fresh, it's really well balanced, and it's been great for our family to just have that mental load, stress, and time and energy reduced from our lives so that we can just enjoy our lives, eat delicious food, and not have to worry about it. It's so nice. Friggin' yum. If you guys are interested in giving HelloFresh a try, you guys can go to HelloFresh.com and use code RawBeauty70 for 70% off plus free shipping. And I thank you again so much to HelloFresh for sponsoring the beginning portion of today's video. Now we're gonna hop into day 5. So they're all outside playing right now. Because I had to film, I was like, what am I gonna do today? Well, I thought, well, let's just do something productive whilst I film my video. I got this mirror as a gift in PR and I just really like it. This is Impressions Vanity. I don't know exactly which mirror this is, but it's really bright and good. And then, oh God in heaven. And then it also has this setting here where you can either turn it down darker, so you can like turn the lights darker if they're too bright for you. You can turn them up brighter. This is not sponsored by them, by the way. They have no idea I'm making this. Or you can like, oh, you want them blue, oh, you want them more warm, or you want them more neutral. I keep it on the neutral setting because I want it to be like as close to sunlight as possible, but I quite like it. So I keep all my stuff, my graham cracker. See, when you have a toddler, you just have stuff everywhere, I tell you what. Got this little like mixing palette from Glow Recipe, and I use it for my Glow Lust. This right here, I'm not sure if these guys are cruelty free or not, so I'm not recommending it. I actually wouldn't recommend it anyway. This is the Skin Iceland Micellar Cleansing Water with Arctic Algae. This literally feels, for me, and I don't know what's going on, it feels like I am putting peppermint in my eyes. I used it the other day to remove my eye makeup and I just couldn't believe how much it burned. But I keep it here to like wipe my hands off and stuff like that when I'm filming. Got this cute little like bowl with a plastic holder in it. I think I got it from Hobby Lobby. I'm not sure where I got it. Michael's? I can't remember. But it's so cute. It's moss. Isn't that so darling? Just love it. And then I have my little nail trimmers, which I actually use to trim my lashes. This is what I've been using lately and I really like it. If you guys are interested in brow product, this is the RawBeautyKristi from One Size. It's so fast. This is in the shade medium brown and it works great for me. Oh, I was looking at this the other day just to see if it was as good as I remember it being. And the answer is yes. I need a dupe for this. I need an exact dupe for L'Oreal Pro Glow because it just truly is the best foundation I've ever used in my entire life. It's perfect. It's literally perfect. And why aren't they cruelty free? It's devastating. So I have been drinking my water, my daily water. I did not have a headache this morning, but I did yesterday. So we're about to find out and see if there's any difference at all. People were like, I think you have a headache every day because you're dehydrated. You would think that. I've been dehydrated for years. And then finally, suddenly it starts causing me dehydration? No. When I tell you, these are dangerous for me. These are the Tweezerman cuticle trimmers. If you are like me and you pick your skin, you can't. I literally can't have this. I can't use it. I can't allow myself to start because I will make every single finger bleed. Oh my God, I was using this. I don't know if I told you guys this, but I was using this Tatcha Pore Perfecting Water Gel Moisturizer. I was using this on my face and somebody was like, oh my God, is that a new product? And I was like, no, I bought this years ago. They don't even make it anymore. That's how old this is. Not only is it not a new product, it's literally expired. Since I don't really like this micellar water, I'm just gonna use it to clean the table. All right, we're running out of ideas and it's day 5. The thing is I really miss doing like those 110% effort videos, but I had to do this first. I want to get back to her. I want to get back to the Kristi that can sit down and film like these lengthy, well-edited microscope videos. She's in here. She's just got to get past the critic brain. Critic brain is up here. And if I get past that, get to work, and get over it, then I think I'll be okay. You know what I mean? I just have to get through that first. And that's what we're doing here together. And I feel like it's working. I mean, I've only been doing this lifestyle and stuff for 4 days, but I am already feeling so much more energy. I have not really felt like I'm going through keto flu yet. So that probably is coming tomorrow, the next day, I'm not sure. I might not go through it, but usually what it does for me is it causes me just a lot of nausea. I am just kind of waiting that out to see what happens, but feeling a little more clear, a little less emotional. Because insulin is a hormone and everything that hormone-wise going on in my body, just all of it is exacerbated by insulin resistance, making things worse. And specifically when eating so much sugar like I was, it was starting to really wear on my mental state and my physical. Let me know what kinds of videos you guys would like to see from me down below. I can certainly film them. I am just kind of living my life and bringing you with me at this point, which is sort of nice for me because I can kind of carry on and do the things that I've already been doing, but just kind of bringing you along with my day. I would love to know which has been your favorite so far. Obviously views speak for themselves, but these days things are just across the board so different than they used to be. Like I don't even know. YouTube is so confusing to me now. I just don't even know like what people want or what people are doing or anything like that. So what kind of content are you guys into these days? So forget about my channel for a second. Like let's just like completely leave my channel aside. What are you guys watching? Like what kind of channels are you into? Is there anybody that you specifically are really loving right now? It's not necessarily that I'm gonna go like check out their channel, but I just would love to know kind of what people are watching because it's just so interesting. I watch TikTok. I don't really watch YouTube videos anymore. I sometimes will listen to like podcasts. I listen to the Office Ladies podcast and I listen to like random homepage recommendation podcasts that I get. Or like I found this new channel that I quite like. It's called STR something. I actually found him. I just watched his video yesterday. Struthless. Yeah, I started following his channel. So a video came up in my recommendations. I quite liked the YouTube video that I watched. The one that I watched yesterday was how a space can improve or destroy your life. And then I also watched Is Life Too Overwhelming? The Sharp Axe Method. And then I also watched one of his that was something else and I cannot remember. But they're very well done videos. Like just, oh my goodness, really, really good. So yeah, if you guys are looking for a good channel to watch, just they're so well done and they have just not nearly enough views of what they should because they are so good. And I feel like just the way that they're done is just chef's kiss good. That's the kind of videos, if I could make videos like anyone, that would be the kind of videos I would make. Anyway, my new video is gonna go up. Oh my God, it's only 3:52. Because my kid normally sleeps till 3, I thought it was like 5:30 right now. Wow, it's gonna be a long day. So I'm gonna go actually work on this video, editing this so that I can get it up for tomorrow. Yeah, gonna go outside and play with my niece and my son and my husband. All right, well, I thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.